All right, and then we'll be about Somuah TV on YouTube. Na nkomono eye tiawa. Very, very simple. The IMC of Asante Kotoko, it decided say Emranti ni bi wo ho a womodin beto dwa e transfer list no. They objected to it. I don't know your take on that, but Eric Zeze, there was an objection. John Tedeku, there was an objection. The IMC objected to it. No, it wasn't just the IMC. Certain key fans of Asante Kotoko also objected to these names. IPM. Kalu Ouattara, there was an objection to the decision to let Kalu go on a loan. There was an objection to it. There's this conversation, sir. Is it right, sir, the technical team will come out with a proposal? Na I say ye bogu na. That is a quick question that your view is being needed. Zeze, Tedeku, Kalu, Ambaso. But do you think it was a good decision to let them stay and continue working for Asante Kotoko? This is Somuah TV, and we bring you the latest and exclusive news in terms of Asante Kotoko. Now, and I confirm I'm say Justice Blay stays. Until be no share graphics ni biano. Ya publishable sa no. Say no Somuah TV and stories ni nyina na yedi ano beka. Into share ya thumbnail na na picture na that screen so ya hwani because ebu why the stories ni be better to ase nti enra obi o share bia when we were talking about Ziggy Kalu Zeze out no ye de shase Blay stays and the fatal few signs a 2-year contract and also ye de eka ho e de emamu nti confirmed ye twaso de amamu na one good news akumasi Asante Kotoko bebre chita for money beje eye bena Somuah. The news coming in indicate that the young talented boy are recover from injury. Once Oshe preseason the course so people so a player back one the modern bonus so any pa preseason was Bernard Somuah. Now unfortunately he started well. He was playing well. Oshe Kotoko Karela. How take you on bed 3 plays and say no pass ball na mababaya. Ede ball na to atremu na efekwa. Na Lamptey picky injury. No to no started training no sa picky injury. So it was advised to say Uncle Jim. Now the news coming in nature say now he is fit, ready for the second round, and all the factors that comes in the second round. And no asem papa baako a da mede to him on Bernard Somuah. He is recovered and ready for the work to improve a team wa ye fere Kumasi Asante Kotoko na bibia etimi akoyi ewo ho enti asem de baako ho. Now Lamptey, this is how I would put it on Richmond Lamptey. I want to be yikakra with my words on Richmond Lamptey. Richmond Lamptey. Album pay anwa kai Lamptey. Why yam kind of pipe. For what I'm picking, no honto done kakra. No honto done kakra. Blasters on a nye better sa ibu abiduru hono. No maybe why it me koswana edin sembi. But no no your passports. I'm using a dupoku striker edit a breaking news ne kakra o de fa ho kakra se Lamptey ho dodo no enti enye hariwa the danger man so de wo mu se me yare meti apostle me yare, and that is the minor news kakra ba ti yemfam paibonta branch enechi na ontimi nsi akan ema the Blasters. We all want to see Lamptey play for the Blasters. Inti eno kakra ho inti first game Lamptey ntimi ambo. Let's see whether he can participate in the second game. Now still Mukwala so up for an award, that is the Ghana Premier League Player of the Month of December. Mukwala edin ababe piemu ewo this particular award see Just like coach a friend Ogum. Now Ogum din for coach of the month, The good news is Steve Mukwala so din for the player of the month. Now comparatively, when you are doing an analysis, it appears that Mukwala is ahead of the other players. Ubenya eye brighter Jmo. Now when you beat say Prince Kwabno Wusu, unfortunately moved to Kotoko ntimi anye adwuma. But he was also nominated, and as Steve Mukwala. Per the goal per minute ratio, no dear. Mukwala is ahead, the man of the match. Mukwala is ahead. Don't say in the month of November, Mukwala scored 2 goals against Hartlefolk. He scored 1 against RTU, scored 2 against Bofuakwatano, and scored 1 against Brekum Chelsea. Into Somuah, Mukwala had 5 goals in the month of December. For Kumasi Asante Kotoko. RTU, there was a penalty, but for Akwa, he scored the 2 goals. Brekum Chelsea, he scored, and Hartlefolk, he scored 2. Until that is Mukwala, the modern boy in the month of December. And the sunny and the modern boy day, a swearing, a waha, yadimun chirimono at the Emam. So he's up for an award, and the month we in an half season, we Kotoko player player of the month, wetimiaje. And Tian said Steve Mukwala said obetimi age player of the month na Blay science ne de e bre bia de betu manim ebo mu nchiri mu ko mu detail say be 1 year contract. And this all official statement Kumasi Asante Kotoko de ba bontia na say Justice Blay sign a 1 year deal for Asante Kotoko. Other conditions in the deal ne de I think say management now for ba bontia. There will be no need say yes we had the babon but a 1 year deal our bought season we have new year now I cannot an extra 6 months contract no and I Blade too that say he is not going to disappoint. Kumasi Asante Kotoko for he's going to play hard to make every fan of Kumasi Asante Kotoko happy na amebibia etimi akoyie ewo. Now moving forward, Kotoko players neko break. I himself Kumasi Asante Kotoko players no wamu eco break. Na Maraho Sama Baba Boom Sharif Mohammed Epra. For what I'm picking on, it looks like so what they were pra. I'm picking say about 5 days ago now he was involved in a unconfirmed, let me put it that way, unconfirmed nature say. Sometimes we choose our words carefully, and you see a nima seminal, but we choose our words carefully. So let me use unconfirmed nature. Say he was involved in a motor accident. Let me put it that way. Now, Abrante ne prakakra. On se Sharif Mohammed Nan Kasano. Na wageni full fitness, and at the end of the season, na enka based on the length of the first round break, no. On say player bu ha ya any surgery be the daddy crash and name or IBC, but sometimes they play with it. It has no medical implication, but you can play with it. So from what I'm picking, if the first round break in a crowd, probably in Asante Kotoko medical team no bet me you know maybe a free a Sharif Mohammed name. But say you see a trauma crew and it takes some time to wait me jam out the bar, wait me the plate na bar till say obenya time I'll be here. Wait me I recover, you can still have time to recover. No news about from Tamalini Church said he was involved in an accident, unconfirmed. And the name Mbui, the baby Mbui, but we're pra. Inti mimbe nanka se ena ne kombu debi when pra. But there's a little twist on certain part of his body. He will need time to recover. And that is the news at Airbar. Yensa Aka. That was Selber TV. This is not a pleasant news. And we decided to do background checks, a lot of course, to get to the bottom of these issues because it be extremely sensitive. If you don't get to the bottom of it, you might be giving out wrong information. But it has been confirmed to us. Sebo Enepra. An incident leading to the injury, these are things that we cannot disclose. But it looks like, say, the corner say, probably Justice Blay will have to come back to the defensive midfield role or Andrews in team men when Michael Che Jamana need to up their game. They need to up their game. Now that Emmanuel Quarter is coming back, now say he can have a Quarter right back, Morrison or Tedeku left back, with Henry Ansu Yusuf Nordin 4 and 5, maybe a Blay. Agent or many pepe now when you're the Lamptey Babaya partnership with the front three of maybe Nicholas Mensah, Isaac Opon, and Abranti IB a friend of Steve Mukwala. So that is the news. Very, very unpleasant. Now, in other situations or also in other discussions, there will be a proper analysis on Emmanuel Korte, but a technical team member outside Asante Kotoko from Tamale cities. We try to engage them to know more about the player. Now, Wamame, the profile of the player and the scouting report of the player, Baba could be how you what we call excellent attacking awareness. And not any dear coach in the describe Emmanuel Korte, also excellent attacking awareness. So yes, Sheriff Mohammed Prano will not be something that will be happy for all Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans, but we all know say Justice Blay is a defensive midfielder. And the technical report say Korte was excellent attacking awareness. Then it means about right back now, he has the ability to combine the work of a right back and a right wing back until they can still have Blay in the middle. Now, when the full backs are attacking, obey me and drop here by shame now a three pepe. And based on the qualities of Korte, on super content ten waho, akwa kudi juma ede ama Asante Kotoko. Nti ewie yi kakra aboa no ene ede ama Blay ama Mukwala ama Somuah update yama Sheriff Mohammed yama what is happening in AFCON so regards to Richmond Lamptey yedini nyina ama ewo Somuah TV. This is the place you can trust. Na I say we are the bare voices na enumre no yetenasia so camera na ya papa nsem num ede ama. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.